Okay, we're going to start working on our test review here. So we're going to do our first problem where we are solving a linear equation. So let's take a look at this problem here. It looks like I have an equal sign that's going to go right here. So I'm going to separate the equation at the equal sign. Then I'm going to simplify on either side. So on this side, it looks like I have a distribution right here. So I'm just going to bring down the terms before the distribution, the negative 7x plus 7. Then I'm going to distribute a negative 2. So I'm going to grab that negative sign in front of the 2. I'm going to get a negative 2x, and then negative 2 times 1 is going to give me a negative 2. Then I'm going to continue to simplify on this side, which means I'm going to combine like terms. So I've got a negative 7x and a negative 2x on the same side. So I'm going to combine those. Negative 7 minus 2 is going to give me a negative 9x. And then I have 7 minus 2. That's going to give me a positive 5. And now I'm combined. I can't do negative 9x plus 5 because they are not like terms. So then I'm going to bring down the negative 7x minus 4. Now I'm going to start solving. So I want all my x's on one side. I'm going to take this negative 7 and I'm going to do plus 7x on both sides with the other x term. Negative 7 plus 7 right here. That gives me 0. It cancels out. Negative 9x plus 7 gives me a negative 2x. I bring down the plus 5. And then the negative 4 comes down. Now I'm going to move my numbers to the other side. So this is a plus 5. I'm going to do minus 5. I'm going to do minus 5 because 5 minus 5 gives me 0. So this is going to come down as negative 2x. And then I have negative 4 minus 5 gives me a negative 9. And then finally, I have negative 2 times x. So I'm going to do the opposite of times, and I'm going to divide. I'm going to divide because negative 2 divided by negative 2 gives me 1, and that gives me an x all by itself. And then I have negative 9 divided by negative 2. That will give me a positive 9 over 2. Or we could say 4.5. And then we can go ahead and we can check that. So let's go ahead and check this with a calculator here. So I'm just going to use 4.5 for the calculator. I have negative 7 times 4.5 plus 7, then minus 2 times, let's see, 4.5 plus 1. All right, so that gives me negative 35.5, and then we have negative 7 times 4.5, or let me just use a parentheses here, and then minus 4. And that also gives me negative 35.5. So if it equals out on either side, then we know we have solved the equation correctly.